Hey guys, hey everybody, welcome again to my channel. It's your girl Deka. I know you're wondering why I'm showing you the market. Yeah, on this day I actually went to the market to do some foodstuff shopping. Corn and dawa were among the things that I got. Normally I use yellow corn to make my pap. You can use the white corn, you can use whatever you like. Lately corn has been really expensive. Corn and dawa has been really expensive. I think I got the corn for about 400 per mudu and the dawa for about 450 per mudu. The dawa you're seeing here, there are some that are really dark brown, and those ones really make your pap brown. If you're the kind of person that likes brown pap, then go for more dawa than corn. So the next thing I'm doing is to soak my corn. Yes, we're going to still wash it. We're not going to use it like this. This is how it looks after washing. You can see it's very clean, very fresh. A lot of people add different things in their pap. They add goro, they make the Tom Brown pap, which I don't really like, because that one you have to make it like Quaker oats, which to me doesn't make sense. Anyways, see how clean the pap is. You really have to wash it, guys, because the handling by the traders is something else. So moving forward, guys, I bought this blender from an Instagram influencer that some of you guys already know. The idea of this blender was that it can crush glass, but guys, it didn't crush anything. It's just okay for like making moi, but it doesn't crush anything. Or maybe I'm not using it well, because my pap made it even start bringing out smoke, and it was really horrible. Like, I was feeling bad, because the main reason why I bought it in the first place was because of pap. I didn't want to be taking my pap outside to blend, but because of the blender was bringing out smoke, I had to respect myself and still take it to the grinders to grind. So guys, this is what the corn the mixture looks like after blending it. It's really late. I'm going to show you guys how I sieve it. This pap is smooth enough. Whenever you blend your pap, make sure it's very smooth so that you can get a lot of pap from it. So guys, my stomach is spinning me seriously. I don't know how I just went to go and overeat. I'm at the back of my house. I'm about to make the pap. I'm going to show you guys what you need for pap making. The two things I use, that works for me. My mother used it, my grandmother used it, and I'm using it now. I'm following the generational trend. I'm going to show you guys what I use. I'm coming. So the first thing is this. What's this called? So this is what I used to sieve the pap. I've had this for a very long time. That's why it looks like this. The second one is, this is the pap bag. We call it apalka. Right? Forgot how we say it, but this is the bag you use to, when you finish doing it like this, then you drain the water. I'm going to show you guys anyways. You now put it in this bag and tie it, and the water sieves, and the pap, that's the starch or the flour or whatever, will not stay in this bag. That's what you'll not be using to make pap. Let's do this. So guys, this is the chaff that we brought out from the pap. We removed all the milk from it, so you can see it's very chaffy. And this is what we got, and this can be fed to chickens, turkey, goats, just farm animals. You can give it to them, and this will help them to grow well, to become very fat, and you know.
Are you the same? Are you the same?
So this is what my pap looks like after removing it from the cloth. I left this overnight. I left it in the cloth overnight, and then when I came back, all the water was out, and then I got this pap. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. I feel like my camera is washing it out, but it's kind of milky. It's not kind of, it's milky. It's a milky pap. So I'm going to show you guys how I make pap for my baby and just for the family in general in my next video. But if you would like to see that video, let me know in the comment section. And I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. And I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next video. Mwah. You're gone.